Alright, this is part 2 of the Lionel repair, my personal repair of Coaling Station 497. I got it, everything was all kind of screwed up. I'll show you here. This piece here, right there, was snapped off. Glued it back together with some crazy glue. Put this in Okay. Now, this one and this one, right? They power the motors up and down, right? And this one and this one are for two solenoids. One's for the dump, to open the doors here, the silo, to dump it, and the other one is for the train to dump. It's very important for this to work that you have the slide shoe things here that I'll meet with the slide shoes on the truck, on the car, and make sure you got the track seated in properly. Alright, the wires are routed down here. Make sure they don't come in contact with this uptake pulley, or you wear a hole in it and it comes down at the inner bar right here. Okay, in the front you got a solenoid right there, magnetic solenoid. There's a bar that holds the two things that's flapped down. On the other side you can slide it out, but there's a little piece of solder. You got to take the little piece of solder without melting, use a heat sink, melting the plastic. You should be able to slide that out. And test the actuator. If it's working fine, don't mess with it. Not some of that plastic scrubbing stuff. No soap, no nothing on it. All right, no oil or anything. And then you can just reassemble it. All right. For the switch on eBay, somebody wanted like 60 bucks for the switch, so I did a little rigging here myself. Okay, first of all, before I get to the switches, alright, the universal goes on the outside on your transformer, and then you got to use a, I think it's 14 volt or 16 volt power source to go to your switches. I used a HO switch, you know, a slap switch type switch here, and a Lionel switch here. Okay, this one here controls the up and down on the motor. It's a little heavier duty because it has to be used a little longer. This is for the solenoid on either the car or on the tower. Alright, I'm going to put power to it right now. Whoa! Almost ran my train off the... Okay. Let me try it again. There we go. Okay. I had power on the track. Okay, now I am going to run the thing up and down. Okay, you got the... In fact, let me do this. We put that down. And I'm going to have it okay, it's this one here. You got to make sure this is in contact. Well, this turned me into a liar now. This worked before. Oh, wrong position. There you go. Dumps the coal. right? And then you just run it up. One loosening it. There we go. Up it goes. I got the maiden in distress there. Maybe I can take her out. So this is how it's supposed to operate. Where it dumps the coal, right there, into the hoppers. It goes all the way back down. I'm not going to bore you with that. And then the hoppers open up right there. Grinding a little bit today, grinding down, but it would have dumped it, and I could have, boom, there you go. Okay, so that's my repair on the 9497. Hope it helps you.